Today we're going to do an oil change. So got the 2 gallons. So we're probably going to use 6 to 6.5 quarts. Then man filter. This one got the O-rings and the gasket or the drain plug. That's it. It's like $9 in advanced water parts. Yep, it's like $9 for a man filter. So we're going to open the flap for this one. Wow. This thing is leaking oil. And probably yep, once the flap's open, you'll have the drain plug there. I think it's a 15 mm. So using a 17 mm socket. Let's crack it loose. And should be draining out. Yep. Then it's time to. I got this tool that fits perfectly. It's a little bit loose, but should be fine. Yep. Oil's not really that bad. It's like still like brownish golden copper color. It's just that I did the bulb cover this weekend, and yeah, it needs an oil change after that. Really need the oil to be clean. So I got the old filter out. Oh my gosh. Now I got the correct part. Yep, it should be the same as the old one. And it should fit in here. Yeah, it's tight. And we have a small green orange in there. And the cross water and the big orange. So we're going to replace this small orange. So I gotta put the new O-ring, the big one. I already took out the old one. Okay, then you have to lubricate the O-rings with oil from there, and should be good to tighten it back. Yeah, just apply the crush washer. Okay, now time to put the bolt back, the drain plug with the new crush washer, or gasket should I call it, copper gasket. And it's a 17 mm to tight. Yep, all tight. I'm just gonna wipe it down. Yep. Oh man, it's so oily in here. And then close the this cover. Yep. And that should be it. Okay, filling it up with probably 6.5 quarts, and we're really good to go. We're close. Yep.